If you're looking to get into dropshipping, stop and watch the rest of this video. I'm going to expose some of the industry secrets that's going to save you a ton of time and money. And I don't really care how much the gurus hate me after this. I'm a man of the people. So if you're looking to get into dropshipping in 2020, watch the rest of this video first. I'm going to reveal a lot of secrets. I'm the infamous Joel, and your boss hates me because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you're infamous too, make sure you subscribe to that channel. Let's go. So if you're watching this video, you saw the title of the video, chances are you're probably looking around on the internet trying to figure out how to get started with this dropshipping thing you've been hearing about. And you came across a lot of different gurus and specialists and experts who told you this and told you that. I know, I've been down that road before. I heard every single pitch out there. I know exactly what they're saying. I know exactly what you're hearing. And I'm here to save you from wasting a lot of time and a lot of money.
Mortgage. Pepto.
Dropshipping store.
Shotgun.
I'm going to get right into it. I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about dropshipping right here in this one video. So the first thing the gurus are going to tell you is that you don't need a lot of money to get started. But let me ask you this. If I read every book in the world about how to be a barista and make the perfect coffee, right? If I learned how to make the perfect coffee from reading out of a book and watching a bunch of YouTube videos, does that mean that the first coffee that I'm ever going to make myself is going to be the world's greatest coffee? No. Chances are it's my first time making that coffee. It's going to come out horrible. And it's the same thing in dropshipping. If you're starting off with low funds and you've never done any marketing before, you've never run Facebook ads or whatever before, expect to fail a lot. Expect to lose a lot of money up front. So people that come into dropshipping and they're like, oh, well, the guru said I only need like $100, $200 to start running my first few ads. Facebook ads are not easy. Even the top companies out there running Facebook ads test a lot of ads before they start getting the right ones. They spend a lot of money. So what makes you think that with your measly $100, you're going to outspend and outperform a top company who's spending millions and millions of dollars on Facebook ads and they can't even get it right, but you're going to come along and get it right on your first try? Trust me, I'm not talking down to you. I'm not trying to make you feel bad. I thought the same things. I was listening to all these gurus. They were making it sound good. And I'm going to reveal to you in the rest of this video exactly why they make it sound good. The answer is going to surprise you.
Oh my God!
So the next dream that they're going to fill your head with after they tell you how easy it is and you don't need a whole lot of money to get started is they're going to start flashing their little income screenshots and showing you how much money they've made doing it. And chances are you've probably seen a lot of these Shopify dashboard screenshots where they're making $20,000, $25,000 in a single day. What a bunch of crap. Let me tell you exactly what they're doing. Here's what they're not telling you. So let's say we'll call him Mr. Guru, really does make $20,000 in a single day, and he shows you his Shopify dashboard. What he's not telling you is that you need to subtract the price of the product itself. Because in dropshipping, you actually need to pay for the product. The customer doesn't pay for the product. They reimburse you for the product, but you have to pay out of pocket for the product. So they always tell you to start off with a credit card. So you're going to be putting this product on your credit card. Be ready to put your credit at risk. So if you do a little research and you did dropshipping like I did, you know that the typical profit margin in dropshipping is around 20%. So they didn't actually make $20,000 in a single day. That's just what's recorded in the Shopify dashboard because the Shopify dashboard only shows sales, gross revenue. They don't subtract the actual profit margin from the product. So in reality, the take home is $2,000. And you might be thinking to yourself, well, infamous Joel, that's still a good payday, right? $2,000 in a single day is still really good. And to that I say, don't talk to me like that. Now let's pick that apart. You ready? So the next thing they don't tell you is you actually have to pay for shipping too. So after shipping out all those products, let's subtract around another $500, all right? Shipping is not super expensive, but let's subtract about $500 just to be sure. So now we're down to $1,500 as the profit, is the take home. And now you're saying, aha, you see, infamous Joel, $1,500 in a single day is still really, really good. So shut up. But again, hold up. I'm not done yet. Did you forget that you actually have to have people come to this dropshipping store from somewhere? And what they always recommend is that you run Facebook ads, right? Well, let me tell you something about Facebook ads in 2020. They're very, very expensive. Gone are the days where you could just run a Facebook ad for a penny a click. Everybody and their grandma is starting up Facebook ads. So because of the simple rules of supply and demand, it's costing more and more and more to get clicks and to get traffic into your store. So if Mr. Guru made $20,000 in a single day, how much traffic did he have to get to this store in order to make that much? Well, let's say it's a $20 product. So that must mean he made 1,000 sales in this one single day. But hold on, Mr. Guru also forgot to tell you that the typical conversion rate for a Shopify dropshipping store is 1%. So that would mean, in theory, that he would have to have 100,000 people show up to this store in order to make 1,000 sales. So let's say he's getting really cheap clicks on his Facebook ads. We'll give him the benefit of the doubt. And his Facebook ads are costing around 10 cents a click, which is really, really low. So if you got 100,000 visitors to this site, then that means that he spent $10,000 in Facebook ads. That would mean that he's $8,500 in the hole. And that can't possibly be true because he's driving around in a Lambo in all his YouTube videos, and he sold me a course where he showed me the step-by-step process that he uses to make money with dropshipping. Rewind that. What did you say?
He sold me a course.
He sold you a course? That's right. One of the biggest secrets I have to reveal in this video is that a lot of these dropshipping gurus are not really dropshipping themselves. It's kind of like if you go to school and learn science from a science teacher and you ask the teacher, "Teacher, how can I really make money making baking soda volcanoes?" They'll tell you, "I don't know, I just teach it." It's a completely ridiculous business model, and very few people make any money from it at all. What the guru was really doing was pitching you on the idea that dropshipping is the solution to all your problems so that they could sell you the course. That's the ultimate end goal of the guru. Sell you the course. Because the course oftentimes costs a ton of money and it's all profit. It's a digital product. You know what that means? 100% profit margin. And also, by convincing you to get into Shopify, they usually tell you, hey, start your Shopify dropshipping store. It doesn't take a whole ton of risk and you don't need a lot of money to get started. Here's my Shopify 14-day free trial link. You know what that's called? That's called affiliate marketing. And Shopify happens to have one of the most profitable affiliate programs on the internet. That means that the guru gets paid a ton of money to get people to sign up to Shopify. So where did that Lambo come from? It came from teaching, not doing. In the internet information age, those with information are the ones that make the most money, not people that actually do the work. So let's look at the reverse of that. Let's say you're doing drop shipping and you hit a home run. Every once in a while, you might find one product that no one else is selling, and you might hit a home run and start making some money with it. And mind you, I said some. So what happens now? What happens now is that people copycat everyone else's success in dropshipping. They have all these tools that can copy off your ads. They can copy and see what products are selling the most. They have all these softwares out there that can find out what's going on. So it's not going to take too long for someone to just rip you off and steal your idea. And next thing you know, you have 50 other stores that are selling the exact same product you are. So what ends up happening is all these dropshippers start racing to the bottom, and you have to cut all your profits down as low as humanly possible so that you can compete with everybody else. Then there's going to be so many people riding that trend that it's not going to be very long before that trend is over, right? And now what do you have to do? Right back to the drawing board. You have to build a whole new Shopify store, find another product, hope it works over and over and over and over again. Do you see what I'm describing right now? This is not a business. A business means it's a mechanism for cash flow that you build up and then it's set on autopilot. You hire employees, you have one thing that you do all the time. When you're constantly switching out your business in and out, in and out, in and out, new store, new product, new this, new that, that's not a business. That's a job. So all you did was switch your 9-to-5 job that you hate to another 9-to-5 job that you're going to hate really, really soon, because you're constantly going to have to keep going back to the drawing board, finding a new product, finding new prices, finding new ads, competing with other people. Oh crap, I have to start all over, build a new store, etc., etc. Meanwhile, the gurus are making all the money because they're selling information. Luckily, I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm here to save you time and money right here, right now. I have my own system from getting you out of that 9-to-5 world and getting you into a sustainable, real online business. Now, if you want to learn more about my recommendation, click the link in the description below. And you can get started with your own business today, the legit way, the right way, and the best way, the most profitable way. Learn to sell information. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.